Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has categorized VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.02. Let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the exchange-traded fund has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.25%. This equates to an average return of 0.06% per day, since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and downward trend in the short term, with indications pointing towards further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 15% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from a decline of 22% to a decrease of 11%. Examining the longer-term perspective, our analysis over a 12-month period suggests a projected change of 10%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between 4% and 30% over the coming year. In current terms, this implies a future price range between $505.68 and $631.52. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for VOO ETF after gaining 2.55%. The VOO ETF price gained 2.55% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025. It rose from $472.42 to $484.45. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.94%, ranging from a day low of $477.21 to a day high of $486.45. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, showing a total gain of 4.51% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 6 million shares being traded, amounting to approximately $2.87 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 14.09%, or $79.45, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 is experiencing a significant rebound today, driven by strong performances from major companies such as Tesla, Amazon, and Nvidia. After a sharp sell-off at the beginning of the week, the market has regained momentum, with the Dow rising by more than 500 points. This recovery comes as investors react positively to earnings reports from key players, including Lockheed Martin and Peloton, setting an optimistic tone ahead of Tesla's upcoming earnings announcement. Looking ahead, market analysts are focused on both the inflation outlook and the Federal Reserve's signals regarding interest rates, particularly in light of recent commentary from President Trump criticizing Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Such political developments could heighten market volatility as concerns over the Fed's independence continue to linger. In the short term, the rebound could boost VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, as positive earnings and reduced sell-off pressure are likely to attract buyers back into the market. However, lingering fears related to the China trade conflict and the potential impact on U.S. equities pose risks that could affect investor sentiment moving forward. In the long term, while a recovery in the technology sector could support steady growth for VOO, the ongoing trade tensions and political uncertainties will require close monitoring to assess their impact on market stability. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen 6.07%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. The VOO ETF currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at the levels of 486.28 and 506.20. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signals a buy from 39 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $465.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $9.24 between its high and low, representing a movement of 1.94%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $494.16. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $465.52. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and no stop loss has been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative indicators and is trending downwards within a broad decline. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this ETF. After evaluating the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the present price is inflated. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we predict that VOO will open lower by $1.75, beginning trading at $482.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.